Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Tricia. I am going out to get some ingredients to make a lobster bisque. The weather is cold here in London, so take a look at the step by step. And this is one of my favorite kinds of soup, so I hope you like it. So finished my shopping. Ooh, supermarket was mad. So many people. It was very busy and the shelves were almost empty, practically empty. So I can't wait to get home and start cooking that delicious lobster bisque. See you in a bit. So here are the ingredients I got. I got some carrots, some celery, leek, red chilies, onions, lobster tails, tomato paste, chopped garlic, and fresh herbs. I particularly like to cook with fresh herbs. I think they bring in a lot of flavor and freshness to your recipes, especially if you're making a stock. So I got rosemary, parsley. They smell and look so good. I like the way they are all trimmed and ready to be used. Some bayleaf too. And some thyme, that's my favorite cooking herb. And of course the basil. Can't live without basil. Yeah. So I have everything I need, and of course tomato paste. Okay. So now you start getting the vegetables ready. The parsnip, peel it out, chop it. The same with the carrot, peel it out, cut it. You want to leave some of the onion peel on it. I have learned that the onion peeling brings in a lot of color into your stock. So use that. The same with garlic. Leave some of the peeling on it and just put everything in that pot, because we are going to start cooking the stock, and that's where most of the flavor comes from. Okay, the lobster tails, they need to be cut on the back like that, because after being cooked, you're going to get that shell out. So you're going to boil that for about 4 minutes. You don't need to, and you can't, you shouldn't actually overcook it, because they get hard if you overcook it. So, I use some vegetable stock. This is a very good brand. I like it. And now that the lobster tails are cooked, you're going to get them out of the pot and get the shell out carefully, because you don't want to waste any piece of it. If you're having more guests or more people to experience that lobster bisque, you should have more than 2 lobster tails, but I just got 2 because it's just for my daughter and I. So you want to use that juice, put it in the pot, yeah, and now you're going to get all the shell out. and use all that shell also for your stock. All the flavor from the lobster goes into the stock. And then we are going to just leave the lobster tail, the lobster tail's meat aside, set aside, because when the soup is ready, we are going to just place it in the pot. So now let's add the shells to your stock, and you want this to be simmered for at least 1 hour in a low flame, in low heat if you have an electric stove. So you're going to start preparing now the base for the soup. For any soup you make, you can make that base. So it's basically like 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery. I like to peel the celery as well. I think it's after you blend it, you don't find any pieces of celery in the soup. So you chop everything, and also 1 onion. Chop it. You don't need to chop it perfectly and neatly because actually this is going to be blended. So you can, of course, use another cutting board. I tried to use only one. So now you're going to stir the onions in some olive oil. You don't need to brown it. Put some salt in it too. Add the celery, the carrots, and give it a good stir. And also now you're going to add some of your, oh yeah, I forgot the garlic. Sorry. So some chopped garlic. You can use fresh garlic as well. I just wanted some easy way. So yeah, add some tomato paste. And now you can add some of the stock that has been cooking over an hour in a low heat. You can add that, cover, and let it simmer for about, I'd say 10 minutes, until the liquid is all sucked up by the vegetables. So voila, the soup is ready. Beautiful lobster bisque is ready. So some warm soup for a cold evening in a wintry city. So here we are. I like to use some salt on the top, like very coarse sea salt, or if you'd rather use some fleur de sel on the top. I think it brings some texture to the first spoons that you're having of that delicious lobster bisque. It's optional, it's entirely up to you. And also some oil, some salad oil of your preference. I like this brand. It's French. It's French oil. They have different kinds of salad oils. So voila, bon appetit, and I hope you liked it.